Utilizing drop-down lists and pop-ups. Drop-downs, lookup lists. Drop-downs, sometimes referred to as lookup reference lists, are selection panels containing a list of choices for the corresponding field. They are accessed by selecting on the drop-down arrow on the right side for the field entry box. These lists are read-only and assist the user in selecting and adding data to the appropriate fields. Note: the drop-down lists are populated through the Settings functional area. These will be system-wide. All population of drop-down lists will be done from the single area. To add an item to a drop-down, 1. Go to the Settings menu, Company, States, for example. 2. Select New. 3. Enter your selection. 4. Select Save. 5. Repeat as necessary. To remove an item from a drop-down, 1. Go to the Settings menu. 2. Select a page and a setting. 3. Select your selection. 4. Select Delete. 5. Repeat as necessary. To edit an item in a drop-down, 1. Go to Settings. 2. Select a page and a setting. 3. Select on your selection. 4. Select Edit. 5. Edit your information. 6. Repeat as necessary. Note: if you edit an item in a drop-down, it will be changed system-wide. However, history records will not be changed, as they have already been closed. Note: if you edit an item in a drop-down, it will be changed system-wide. However, history records will not be changed, as they have already been closed.